Okay, some of you guys might be looking to do a multi-pro tailgate swap, all right? And this is the tutorial on how to get the upper gate working. It's one solution. There's probably another, but until GM allows us to turn it on through the BCM, this is probably going to be the best method to get it to work. So I actually have a spare harness just in case things went south, so wasn't too concerned. So I was playing around with the harness. I got the wiring schematic and I played around, and I found out that when I do press my upper button, I do get a ground signal. So that was an easy fix, easy starting point for me. So what I did was I came here with a relay, and this is the exact wiring you're going to do. Okay, so once you wire in a relay, you're going to be able to open up your upper tailgate portion of your multi-pro tailgate, and it'll work just like it did from the factory. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to come in, you're going to have to supply your ground to 87, which is blue, which is on this which is actually going to power the device. Okay, so the purple wire here, that is actually going to go to your actuators on either side. All right, then you're going to have your black wire here, which is going to go to your yellow wire. That yellow wire is your trigger wire, and it's just the solid yellow, no stripes. So that wire is your trigger wire from your switch. And then what I found is because on the BCM it supplies power and ground, I had to ground the yellow and black wire with a stripe to actually get it to work. So after you get that all wired in and you put your two power sources on your relay, all right, so in my particular instance I still have to wire in my trying to do this with one hand, so I do apologize. So in my particular instance, I have to do this with, you get your 12 volts going to it, then you should be able to open up your tailgate. So let's see what it looks like when I open it.